No, I'm going to Madsen this weekend. What do you mean, why? Why else would I go up there? To get massively drunk, legally. Why else would a depraved college student go up to Wisconsin? Oh yeah, I forgot Tommy Bartlett's water show. Well, besides that, why don't you come with? Why not? Oh, come on, man, that's boring. You have to come with. Well, alright, okay, we'll stop by the Wisconsin Dells. Okay, I'll be over to pick you up. Just a minute. Be ready. Okay, so long. Fucking A. Shit. Gotta clean up this place when I get back.
God, someone must have died in there.
Sorry, Mike. I've got a date with this biochemistry paper.
Gosh, nobody likes me around here.
Well, that's funny. Well, I thought Bob went to Madison this weekend. Bob? Well, that's bizarre.
Hey, man! Can you tell us where Monty Hall is?
Yeah, I think that's up north.
No, I think that's one of the new dorms. That's got to be down south.
No, it's up north next to the frats, I'm sure.
No way, stupid. Sheila lives there.
Sheila lives in Bob Jones.
You know, you're right. We don't know where it is.
Come in! Chuck, come in, I'm almost ready. Chuck's a real cutie, but he's not so big on brains. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh no!
Get this.
Wow, that was great. That really turned you on, huh?
Yeah, I guess.
What do you mean, you guess?
Oh, nothing, Dick. You're okay.
Betty?
It just wasn't the best.
How can you say that?
Easily.
Where are you going?
Take a shower.
Good, maybe that'll warm you up.
Who left their stinky fridge out in the hallway?
Damn it! All the doors are locked around here. What do you expect? They don't want any intruders. Well, they got one already. It's a wolf in refrigerator's clothing. God damn it, Dave! I hope you're wrong. Because if you're not, easy, Larry. It's here. I can feel it. God help.
Oh, dear, don't you ever give up. I'm not going to bend over and pick that up.
It's very important. It's a matter of life and death. Someone may be dying right now. It's no use, Dave. He can't hear you.
Who's in here? Oh my gosh. It's Bob's stinky refrigerator. And it's alive!
Larry, that's it. Damn it. Everything's locked around here. Get inside, Dave. Larry! My God! Larry! Back! Back, foul icebox of hell!
How? How did you do that?
It's only dangerous when it becomes unplugged and the contents putrefy. It won't harm you now.
Oh, my friend.
You poor girl. Come on, I'll take you home with me.
Hey, that's Bob's fridge.
What's it doing out here?
I don't know. Hey, let's play a joke on Bob and hide in our room.
Yeah, won't he be surprised?
Here, you unplug it and I'll get the door.